To throw, it's Carr. Off to Thomas on the left side. And he'll get it out a couple yards shy of midfield at the 48. Just week one, but already plenty of intrigue with the games going on, and this one no different as we come up on a 1st and 10.
And Carr's throw complete there to Thomas.
And he's able to get this one down to the 40-yard line. Now Carr again.
He'll find Shaheed out to the right.
And he gets it down a yard or two shy of the 30 before he's out of bounds.
And I believe the referee's been buzzed. Yeah, they want to take another look at this call, and it's certainly a big one here late in a tight game. So the folks in New York just going to wind up confirming what the official saw, as this play will stand as is.
On 2nd down, Kamara. Touchdown, New Orleans.
Alvin Kamara.
The drive of the game forthcoming. This offense, a field goal does them no good. They need to get in the end zone. The good news, they have all 3 timeouts left. Let's see how this plays out.
Meanwhile, Tannehill's throw pulled in by Hopkins.
And he's going to be dropped following a pickup of 7 past the 30 to the 32.
Now Tannehill. Open man, Westbrook-Ikhine.
And they bring him to the ground just shy of midfield.
Plenty of time. All 3 timeouts still remain. Here's 1st and 10 now. And this a leaping effort, but it's knocked away and incomplete. They'll try again here. 2nd and 10. Here's Tannehill. Finding Ertz here on the out route. Well, this one's had a season's worth of thrills already, and it's still week 1. Here's 3rd down now. The throw out wide going to be incomplete.
Partner, they've got one chance left to keep this one going, and I think for you and me, let's think along with their offensive coordinator now. Has to think back, cycle through every play of this contest, and remember what's worked and what hasn't. Because right here, he needs the best play of the game in order to keep this one alive.
They keep the game alive, at least for the moment, as it's a 1st down.
Tannehill.
And nowhere to fit that football in. It's knocked away and incomplete.
Clock at 30 seconds. 2nd and 10. Throwing Tannehill. He's got his man. That's Ertz downfield.
And he gets it all the way down inside the 10 and mark him at the 5.
Oh, what a play. You got to use one of those timeouts.
The Titans going to use the first of their timeouts as they get it with 16 seconds remaining on the clock.
Here's 1st and goal. Tannehill going to turn and give this to Henry.
And he's going to press this one forward as they stop it right around the 1. Now Tennessee going to use the 2nd of their timeouts. That'll leave them with just 1 remaining in this 4th quarter of play.
Henry is in. Touchdown, Tennessee.
This defense just 1 timeout left. This one all but over as we take you down for the final moments.
Now Carr.
He's going to let it fly. And that is incomplete. Took a shot there on 1st down, but he couldn't reel it in.
Another try, 2nd and 10 now.
One final try now for Carr. High throw, but he makes the catch.
And he's going to be taken down. Plus, there's a penalty flag in the backfield. They may get 15 more on top of this. Well, certainly those are the types of mistakes they're trying to avoid as they attempt to protect this lead late in the game.
And let's face it, they're hoping that this one doesn't cost them in a significant way. Yeah, one guy committed a penalty, but now the entire defense has to pay the price and try and rise up and overcome it.
Well, CD, always a little extra excitement for Week 1, and one of our early window games here in Week 1 on a Sunday comes to a close. Good to be back in the booth with you, my friend.
And it's good to be back in the booth with you as well. And we know that not everyone's